Is your girlfriend acting in a peculiarly different way towards you, or another close female friend? Are you getting the cold shoulder or any other subliminal negative signals that are unsettling you? It's essential to investigate it rather than brush it off to see whether there's a problem or if you're just being overly sensitive. 1. Keep an eye out for any closed body language. Look at how she carries herself. Not everyone verbally expresses rage. A red or flushed face, sweating, and shaking or trembling are all telltale indicators of wrath. 2. When she speaks to you, pay attention to the tone of her voice. She is probably not impressed with you if she speaks in a sarcastic or forced manner, as if she is clenching her teeth. When you try to speak to her or are mentioned in conversation, she might even use a mocking or sarcastic tone, mock you, or otherwise make fun of you. 3. If she isn't returning your calls or texts, check. The female may become angry with you and stop talking to you on the phone or through text messages. She might not return your calls, listen to your voicemail, or respond to your texts. You might notice that when you text her, you don't receive the customary prompt response or none at all. 4. If she seems disturbed, ask her close pals. If the girl has stopped talking to you, either in person or on the phone, ask one of her close friends if she is upset with you. Are you in contact with her lately? Do you know if she is angry with me? The friend might be able to answer positively or get in touch with the girl on your behalf to find out the answer. 5. Contact her parents or other members of her immediate family. If the girl is close to her family and confides in them, you could wish to speak with them as well. Make contact with a sibling of the girl who is close to the girl and knows you. Ask the sibling politely if she is aware of the girl's possible resentment of you. 6. Speak with your common buddies. Consider approaching your mutual acquaintances if you share any in order to learn more about the girl's mental state. Find out from your common friend whether they have seen the girl acting hostile or agitated toward you and whether she has recently made any disparaging remarks about you. You can tell if the girl is unhappy by doing this. 7. Look for a private, peaceful area to discuss. This may occur in your residence, a park, or your preferred college hangout. Although it could be difficult, having an honest talk with her might help you understand why she is angry, confront the situation, and possibly find a solution. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.